Hey guys, I'm Lindsay Ellingson, co-founder of Wonder Beauty, and I am so excited to introduce you to our first hair product. This is Extra Mileage, and it's your new must-have. It's perfect for women on the go. Extra Mileage is a non-aerosol hair refresher that contains silica powder, which absorbs excess oil and also gives your hair nice volume and texture without leaving a white cast behind. Our hydrating spray brings your style back to life, while Calendula and Panthenol nourish the hair and scalp. Extra Mileage is formulated without mineral oil, parabens, phthalates, and synthetic fragrance. Our natural scent of lavender oil leaves your hair smelling fresh and clean. To use, just shake and spritz onto your scalp and massage. You can also spray onto your hair shaft and ends for added texture and volume. I love that Extra Mileage saves me time on the go. It's perfect to use in between wash days or after the gym to keep my hair looking and feeling fresh.